In this video I am going to show you how to add Pixelate effect on your CapCut video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your CapCut application and then hit on plus sign. Now there add some videos, just select it and hit on add button. And now to be able to add Pixelate effect here, just hit on effects, video effects, then hit on basic and there scroll down until you find that mosaic effect. Select it and now you see how it looks like. Now there you can hit on adjust and select blur effect. You can make this square smaller or bigger, and once you're done just hit on that check mark and now you can continue editing your video as you normally do. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.